teach at the 9th grade center. I teach Algebra 1 and Computer Science, and I do sophomore level Computer Science and freshman level Computer Science. So the careers for Computer Science, especially if you majored in Computer Science, it is so varied. You could go into like medical technology, where we're seeing robots that perform surgeries nowadays. You could go into the graphics world with like video game design, special effects design, artificial intelligence for the military. There's your normal IT positions, networking. It's really pretty much endless what you could go into with computer science. Computer science is really fun because you get to work with people. So you're with different partners all the time and you are solving problems. That's the whole basis of computer science, is you're just solving problems. You don't have to be a math whiz or a science whiz to solve problems. You just have to be able to desire working well with others and just desire to see the end of this problem come. And you have to be a little bit creative at times, and we let you be very creative at times. So there's a whole lot of room to move within the curriculum, so you can dive in how deep you want to. The freshman level class that I teach for 9th graders is called Computer Science Essentials. And it involves, we learn how to make apps, we learn several different types of software for coding apps, we create games, we create programs that make robots drive, self-driving vehicles, we learn a few different coding languages, and really just about different career types and opportunities within computer science that you might think about going into. We just basically focus on solving real-world problems using computers to make life easier for people. And in the next step up, in the sophomore level class, then it's pretty much just an iteration on that first level. So they have taken the 9th grade class, and then they take the 10th grade class, and it just kind of adds on and gets a little bit more complicated. We have opportunities for them to be just completely creative, like what is a problem that you have or something that would make your life easier, can you create an app for that? And we have a really user-friendly program that helps them do that, so that's one of their favorite things. And then we move on to the actual physical robots that we can code to drive along on a path, through a maze, like whatever. Other than that, we talk a little bit about cybersecurity and how to be safe online. We talk about ethical hacking. We talk about, and just really like careers, areas they could go into in the real world after they graduate.